Them have gotten infected. They are not going to go anywhere.
Dr. Anthony Fauci of the National Institute of Health on Sunday said that more than 40 Americans aboard the quarantine cruise liner in Japan tested positive for the coronavirus and would be undergoing health screenings before returning to the U.S.
They're going to be in hospitals in Japan. People who have symptoms will not be able to get on the evacuation plane. Others are going to be evacuated starting imminently to Air Force bases in the United States. If people on the plane start to develop symptoms, they'll be segregated within the plane. So there's a very firm plan with this 747 that is going to take these passengers now who have been there. When you come back to the United States, importantly, they're still subjected to a 14-day quarantine.
His comments came on CBS's Face the Nation just as passengers on board the Diamond Princess, including Americans, finally disembarked the ship at the Japanese port of Yokohama after being quarantined for 2 weeks. The Department of Defense said American evacuees who did not test positive for the virus would be flown to either Travis Air Force Base in California or Kelly Field Lackland Air Force Base in Texas, where they will be quarantined for another 2 weeks. 70 new coronavirus cases were confirmed on board the Diamond Princess, bringing the total on the ship to 355, by far the largest cluster of cases outside China.
The degree of transmissibility on that cruise ship is essentially akin to being in a hot spot. A lot of transmissibility on that cruise ship.
Within China, authorities reported 2,009 new cases on Sunday, noting that this was down from more than 2,600 the previous day. Chinese officials called this proof that its steps to fight the outbreak were working. In mainland China, more than 1,600 deaths have been reported from the virus. Outside China, there have been at least 5. Last week, an 83-year-old American woman who had been on board another cruise ship, Holland America's MS Westerdam, which docked in Cambodia, tested positive after she flew to Malaysia, alarming health experts who feared she may have exposed others to the flu-like virus.